Hi everybody, it's Emma from Houzz Pro here. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a retainer and credits in Houzz Pro. This way you can ensure you're getting paid for your products and services. To create a retainer, head into the Retainers and Credits tab within your project and click on New Retainer in the top right, or if it's your first time creating a retainer, click on New Retainer in the middle of your page. Here, what we can go ahead and do is start customizing our document. For example, we can create a retainer title, for example, maybe stage 1 of your project. We can edit the quantity, the unit, and your cost. Once you've gone ahead and customized that, we want to go ahead and click on Preview and Share in the top right-hand corner. This is going to give us our client's view of the document before we send it off. From here, what you can go ahead and do is click on Share in the top right-hand corner and send this off to your client. What I'm going to go ahead and do is go back into the edit stage of my document and log this payment. So I'm going to scroll down into our payment section. Here, going to go ahead and click on Log Payment. We recommend setting up Houzz Pro online payment option because as you send your documents to your client, these payments will automatically be logged. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and log it manually here. From the drop down, I'm going to select how my clients paid, when they paid, and a reference number to my bank account. I'm going to go ahead and send them a receipt as well. Once that's been paid, what we want to go ahead and do is log this retainer on another document. So I'm going to head back into my project and go into an invoice. From here, I'm going to click into my invoice and scroll down again to my payment section to log it. So here I've got my payment schedule already set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Log Payment. From the drop down, I'm going to go ahead and apply my retainer. So that should be the first option in your drop down list here. And from the $60,000 I have available, I'm going to apply the amount that's on my payment schedule and pop it in this box. Once I've typed in my new amount, go ahead, click on Done, and we can clearly see that this payment has been logged. And what I'm going to do is just refresh the page. And if I scroll down to the bottom of my document, I've got the activity stream. So this is going to see when I've logged payment and a link to the actual retainer as well. So that's how you go ahead, create a retainer and apply it to your document. Now let's talk about creating a credit. So credits are used for situations where your client already paid you, but in the meantime, the cost or quantity has decreased. So for this document, let's go ahead and create a credit. So what we're going to do is replicate that by reducing the quantity on some of these items. And what that's going to do is give a minus balance on my total amount. So what we're going to go ahead and do before we go ahead and create a credit is maybe log these details in the description of my item. So for my record and my client's record, I can see what's happened. Perfect. Now that I've got that set up, I'm going to scroll down to the financials of my document and go ahead and click on Issue Invoice. And what we can go ahead and see is that the credit has been created. So if I go ahead again and just refresh that page, scroll down to the bottom of my document to have a look at the activity stream, we can see those updates there as well. So we can see when the retainer was paid, when the invoice was issued, and when the credit was created. So what I can go ahead and do is go back into my project, click back into my Retainers and Credits tab, and we can see all of those updates. So the first thing is we've got our financial totals at the top here to see what's total remaining. We can have a look at our retainer and see our initial requested was $60,000, but we've only got $36,000 left. And we've also got our credit here. So what the options of your credit are in this opportunity is for you to go and apply it to a future document or refund that credit externally to Houzz Pro. Either way, we want to make sure we're recording these in your account accordingly. For example, if you have refunded your client external to Houzz, the amount in total, we want to go ahead and click on Issue Refund, because that's going to go ahead and log this as refunded, so you can't have it applied to a future document. If you want to go ahead and apply this for future documents, it's the exact same process. When you click on Log Payment on a payment schedule, rather than clicking Retainers, you click Credit. So go ahead and try for yourself using retainers and credits in your account. Thank you for watching.